Yeah. Hi, Karan. Vishwanath here. Hi. Okay, so this is the traveling. Is that like some sort of a data? What it is like?
bring it back to fast and save it on the MongoDB. Okay? Socrates, which is our software, will connect to MongoDB to read what fast has scrolled. So if then we build another connector for fast, which is maybe docking crawler. So docking crawler will go on the customer's folder, read the dockings folder, the dockings files, extract the text, and put it on the MongoDB. And Socrates will connect to the MongoDB to read the text.
Okay.
Okay, so let me just explain a few details to make things a little clear. So, basically, what we're interested in, as Karim said, is the crawling of potential of the crawling system that FES has, because you can specify which crawlers from FES you want to activate, and you have like a bunch of standard crawlers. You just have to fill in your data, or you can create some custom crawlers. So basically, crawlers are like this diagram is a little too deep, because normally a crawler is either a file system crawler or like a web crawler,
Yeah.
or some other kind of connectors crawler. But after the crawling part, which just looks for sources, then FES has its own extractors. So it's able to open the PDFs, the docx, and all sorts of documents. So let's keep those two concepts separated. The crawling system is the one that retrieves the sources, sorry, while they have their own like extracting system, which extracts information and text from the sources that were crawled before. So this is the very first part. The second part is, where is it storing the information? Normally it has the ability to just store on something called Elasticsearch, but we wanted also to test it out and to try and connect it to a MongoDB or some other kind of DB like MySQL DB or something similar. Okay, so this is more or less what this tool is all about.
Okay.
Yeah, the thing is like, think it as a crawling system where you can crawl from different sources, and we need to build this crawler. Some are already built in and some needs to be built, and the platform is written in Java. It's open source, so we need to fork from this open source code what we need from that side. We have one um, we have divided into measurable objectives what we need to do in the first wave of this project. So first wave of this project is basically some R&D. R&D means we need someone who can check what FES can offer to us, doing some research on that, and trying to build one simple connector that could be interesting for us. End of the project, the first wave could be producing documentation about the possibility and flexibility about FES, giving us the possibility of having a connector that works with Google Chat, and that's it. Once that is done, we can go for the next wave, because we will, from this wave we will understand how we can use FES, because we need someone who can do some R&D on that.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, yes, correct. Yeah. Okay. It's completely on the, is it completely on the file system and some other documents and all? Exactly. For the first wave, because we have told you the vision. Right now, to translate what we need to do at the first steps is doing R&D, produce some documentation about how flexible is FES and how we can use it, and if we can use it as we want to use it. And third thing is implement a connector for Google Chat. Okay. Then that's done. We can think about the next steps on this project. Okay. Can you get a project documentation? Yes, this is the project documentation. This one, sorry. Let me just, it's called FAST POC, exactly. Here is the documentation of what we need to do in the first wave, okay? And we can send it to you after the call. Once the call is done, you can see what we need. And once, if you have any questions or anything else, you can come back to us and see. Okay, and ask.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a completely project written in Java, but you need also some, it's a Java, but it's a software which is written on Docker. So you need also someone who knows how to work with Docker. Okay, compute plan, it is AWS and Docker and Jenkins. Development comes operational. Sorry? It is completely on the development come operation. Yes, exactly. But if you check, like if we use their open source platform, uh, they have actually a code in Docker. So I think we need to work. This platform should run in a Docker. So this is really important. Okay, fine. Okay, okay. Because we want to install multiple services, and we should work on Docker. So the kind of thing is like we need a senior person to do R&D over here. the senior Java developer who can understand the code of Fast and also give us the check how flexible it is. Okay, this is so important for us because as this is a more an R&D project, so we might require like the only ask I ask you is please put some senior resources on this project.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
We have 15 years consultant, Java consultant, Spring Boot and Docker.
That's very good.
Yes.
That's very great. So my next steps would be I will send you the document, and if it's okay, I will create. If it's okay for you, a Google Chat group where I think if it's okay for you, Google Chat where Michele will be also there. If you have any question, any point, you can just type a question, and Michele or me will answer to that.
Okay, fine,
Okay.
fine.
Okay. Fine.
Okay, I can create a Google Chat group with your emails, right? Is it okay?
Fine.
Perfect.
Fine, fine.
So if the requirements is clear, if you do not have any question, then you can prepare us the proposal of how much it's going to cost. Okay?
Yeah, I will oversee all the documents and we'll get back to you.
Perfect.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
So thank you so much, guys. If that's it, I will send you the documents right now. Okay?
Okay,
Thank
okay,
you.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, guys. Bye.
Okay.
And sorry, one last thing. I think Ramesh, can please fix the interview call with Sharad. I think we were interested to have an interview.
Yeah, he will available after 25th, after Dasara. Here, 4 days long. Yes, yes.
Now, yeah, and then that's Diwali, so I believe that is a holiday period again.
Yes. So he's available from 25th October.
Okay, perfect. So I
Yes,
believe.
yes.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, then, guys.
Yeah.
Have a nice
Thank you.
evening.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Michael.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.